It's been a while since I've done a hot sauce, and I actually picked up quite a few on vacation this last month. And one of the neat ones that stood out to me was Frostbite. It says, warning, nothing frosty here, hot. So it is literally vinegar, water, and capsicum. That is it. 3 ingredients. It's a clear, almost like cloudy water look. I don't know why I'm doing this one. It literally says right on there, where does it say that? Frostbite adds heat without changing the flavor or color. So it's just straight heat. It just adds heat without changing the flavor or the color of whatever you're making. Why am I doing this straight? Why? Anyways, whatever. Hi, we have Frostbite Hot Sauce. I don't know what it is on the Scoville unit scale or anything. I seen something say like 1 million, and then someone said, no, it's like 2 to 500,000. I don't know. I have no idea. I've seen a couple different variants of what people think it is. I don't know if there's an actual number to it. Frostbite, let's go. Frostbite. Vinegar, water, and capsicum. It looks like I'm pouring just like cloudy water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh God, it smells like I'm coloring Easter eggs with vinegar and boiling water as a kid. That's just overwhelming smell of vinegar in that. I mean, I like drinking the pickle juice after the pickles are gone out of the jar, but this is a little bit overwhelming. Like, you know how you color Easter eggs, you use vinegar? Did anyone else do that? Apparently, maybe it was just me. I don't know. But anyways, Frostbite. Whoa, what was that noise? First off. Second off, if you love vinegar, this is the... Woo! That's vinegary. It was a straight slap in your face with vinegar. Why am I yelling? Sorry. There's definitely a good burn right away. It hits really, really nice hit. Boy, is that heat. It's a nice, clean heat. But holy vinegar. Holy vinegar. I feel like I'm going to add this, the rest of what's left of my Frostbite. I'm going to make chili, I think, tomorrow. And I think that'd be a really good way to add heat without changing flavor. Yeah, I can see that. It's a cooking ingredient. It's a cooking ingredient. By the way, I did shake this. If anyone's wondering, I did shake it. I've shaken it like 3 times. And if you shake it 3 times, I shook it like 3 times. And it's still kind of, everything settles. But I definitely almost felt like I felt the crystals in my mouth a little bit. Woo! That's got a nice throat burn going on right back there. All right. Just for the sake of doing it one more time, what is wrong with me? I can feel it hitting my stomach right now. Why am I doing it again? God bless. Take care, and we'll see you guys all in the next one. Woo! Vinegar. Yes, if you love vinegar, that's your sauce. Oh, it's so vinegary.